Good day everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be sharing a very effective solution to fix awsnap, this kind of message popping up while you try to open any pages on your Google Chrome browser. And it asks you to reload, but unfortunately nothing is working. And even you get some kind of error code that says status stack buffer overrun. Alright, so there are a few best solutions that you can apply. So first, what you will have to do, you need to try reloading it, and in case if this doesn't work, then close your Chrome browser. Now look for the Chrome browser on your desktop, or you can search as well, and once you get it, right click on it, then click on open file location. Again, right click on the Google Chrome, choose properties, click on the compatibility tab. Here, check the option run this program in compatibility mode. Then select the option Windows 8. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Again, right click on it. Choose properties. Now here in the target box, just go to the very end. Then you have to type space dash dash no. Again, give a dash sand box. Now click on apply, then click on continue, click on OK, and now again try to pull up your Chrome browser, and you can see that I'm still getting the same message and it says can't open this page, and the same error is popping up. Alright, so the next troubleshooting, what you will have to do here, then again click on the three dot at the right hand top, then hover up to extension, then click on manage extension. And even the manage extension page is also not coming up. But if on your end, if the extension is coming up, then kindly go ahead and try to remove any latest installed extension or any extension that you don't recognize or you don't use. But in case if you are also not able to get this extension option, so in this case, what I would recommend that we should go ahead and restart the computer. What you can do, close everything and then finally go and restart your computer. Alright, so we have now restarted the computer. So let's go ahead and start the Google Chrome browser again. And then if I open any website, alright, now you can see it's coming up without any problem. I can open any of the website. Alright, so make sure after applying all the solution, just make a restart. And in case it's still if you have the problem even after restarting, then you also need to make sure that your Windows is up to date. So click on your Windows search, type update, then click on check for update. And if there is any kind of update available here, then kindly go ahead and update it. So that's all guys. Hopefully this solution will surely work for you. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.